I'm a little bit older, so I didn't grow up with the internet. It kind of came to me later, and that connection on Sephora Community, I have made lasting friendships with some people that I've never even talked to on the phone. I don't even know what they look like. We are really there for each other.
It helped me discover my best friend. We met on Sephora's beauty community, and when you click on it, it's like going behind the curtain. I was Googling a specific product that I saw, and it brought me there, and I bumped into Angel, and it immediately felt a spark.
Marcy's the first friend I've ever had that loves makeup as much as I do. I think we're a similar type of people, and to have that passion that we love so much kind of thrown on top is just a bonus.
Yes. One of the challenges I faced as an older mom over 30, a mom with no time, is I'm fairly new to makeup, and when I discovered it, I was really lost. I was overwhelmed by all the products that there are out there, and jumping into the community, everyone was so embracing, and I realized in chatting with Angel and other folks, hey, the community isn't just 19, 20-year-olds, it's also women of all ages, and it helped me achieve what I wanted. I feel like I've met my tribe, and it's not just makeup obsession, but then experiences that you've had throughout life. Makeup sees no boundaries, it sees no lines. Everyone has a little bit that they can bring to the table, and celebrating inclusion just makes the tribe stronger.